Daraz is an online marketplace that allows sellers to sell their products to buyers in Pakistan. It is one of the most popular online marketplaces in Pakistan, with over 100 million registered users. There are a few ways to make money from Daraz. 1. Selling products. You can sell your own products on Daraz. 1. To do this, you will need to create a seller account and list your products for sale. 1. Daraz charges a commission on each sale that you make. 2. Affiliate marketing. You can earn a commission by promoting Daraz products on your website or social media. 2. To do this, you will need to sign up for Daraz's affiliate program. 2. Daraz will provide you with a unique affiliate link that you can use to track sales. 3. Influencer marketing. You can earn money by partnering with Daraz to promote their products to your followers on social media. 3. Daraz will pay you a fee for each sale that you generate. 4. Taking surveys. Daraz occasionally offers surveys to its users. 4. You can earn Daraz credits by completing these surveys. 4. These credits can be redeemed for Daraz products or services. It is important to note that there is no guarantee that you will be able to make money from Daraz. The amount of money you earn will depend on a number of factors, including the number of products you sell, the commission rate, the number of sales you generate through affiliate marketing, and the number of followers you have on social media. Here are some tips for increasing your chances of making money from Daraz. 1. Sell high-quality products. Daraz customers are looking for high-quality products at a good price. 1. If you sell low-quality products, you are less likely to make a sale. 2. Set competitive prices. Daraz is a competitive marketplace. 2. If you set your prices too high, you are less likely to make a sale. 3. Provide excellent customer service. Daraz customers expect excellent customer service. 3. If you provide excellent customer service, you are more likely to get repeat customers and positive reviews. 4. Run promotions and discounts. Running promotions and discounts can help you to increase sales and generate more revenue. 5. Stay up to date on the latest trends. Daraz is constantly adding new products and services. 5. If you stay up to date on the latest trends, you can ensure that you are selling products that are in high demand. By following these tips, you can increase your chances of making money from Daraz. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.